What's up guys, and welcome to today's video, which will be a vlog type of thing. Many of you asked me whether I could show you like what I do over the day for my business, how the different activities for my business look like, and this is what I will be doing today. So I'm excited because it's the first time. I hope it doesn't get too terrible. Let me know what you think about it. If you like it, please let me know. Please comment if you want to see more of this. And yeah, yesterday I got a new client, very interesting space, and I will be managing his whole Google AdWords activities. So we want to really scale his business up very quickly. So this will be the first thing that I will be doing today. Very interesting client. Probably will take me like 1 or 2 hours to set the initial few campaigns up and the whole account and stuff, and then we see how it works out. I will probably document a little of this as well in the next videos. Besides that, I have 2 calls today. So one with a messenger marketing tool CEO who contacted me yesterday. He wanted to do some talk and, you know, propose something. I don't know what it is yet. And another call that I have with someone that I asked to do some promotion and stuff. So will be 2 interesting kind of things. And I also have to update my course, so I will shoot 2 more videos for the course today. I've also shot 2 yesterday, so there is a lot of content that will be added at the moment to my Google AdWords course for e-commerce. Besides that, some more things, like I bought a GoPro, I don't like it, I have to bring it back, I have to go to the city and send it back. Some other things, I will go to the gym, and yeah. Let's see what happens besides that, and I will be interested how this whole vlog thing will work out. So let's find out. Alright guys, so here we are in the office. On the left hand side, of course, the Aventador. Unfortunately not mine, obviously. Well, who knows, right? At some point maybe. And on the right hand side, we have my AdWords client list. So currently I work with 22 different AdWords clients at different businesses. Not all of them are actively using AdWords right now though. So some of them switched, some of them don't advertise at the moment, or I'm simply an advisor for them. So I don't have 22 clients where I actively manage their spend. This would be quite a lot. But yeah, some of them are super active. We're spending a lot. We're also selling a lot. And this is pretty exciting. So for this new client that I told you about, I will prepare the groundwork now, and I will be very curious how many sales we can get like within the first 1 or 2 weeks. I will keep you updated on that, of course. If you ever wanted to know what a good product to sell looks like, then I have the answer for you right here in our house. It's that my girlfriend's legendary yoga blogs, or whatever they are called, some type of yoga blog. These guys cost like, I don't know, 20 or 30 bucks, but apparently they are super important if you want to do yoga correctly, right? So who am I to judge that? But if you want to sell bricks basically for a lot of money, then this is definitely a good way to go. And if you wonder what a good product looks like that people go crazy about, it must be one of these. So lesson here, very simple stuff, sell it for a lot of money, and make some crazy sales, right? If you ever looked for the perfect product, this is definitely one of those. Alright guys, so I've spent multiple hours now preparing some stuff for the campaign. You know, created around 10 campaigns, multiple ad groups, a lot of different ads, a lot of things, a lot of research. So I think we had a pretty good start now with this specific campaign, even though it's super competitive. Just had one of these here. Normally I never drink energy drinks, like I never drank energy drinks for pretty much all my life. But recently, you know, every now and then, actually I think the first time that I got one of those Rockstar ones, it was okay. Killer Citrus. You know, when you do a lot of stuff at a time, like I said, probably spend 3 hours now working on that campaign, a little more. Sometimes they're quite cool. So do you drink energy drinks from time to time, or coffee or something like that? Let me know, post it in the comments. I think I will read a little bit here outside before I go to the city, go to the gym and things like that. So probably 30 minutes. Read a pretty cool new book. I'll let you know about it. Recently I just bought like 10 different books. Feels kind of overwhelming. But this one here, David and Goliath by Malcolm Gladwell, I can really recommend it. It's about how the underdogs, how the small ones can win against the big companies, big people, by applying different tactics and strategies. And of course, highly professional reading mark here, toilet paper. By the way, guys, if you didn't check my free mini course, the eCom PPC Academy Lite, it helps you with keyword research, building the right or crafting the right ads, building, converting landing pages, everything for free. 3 videos, 3 modules that you will get over time. Make sure that you check it out. If you aren't enrolled in my full course already, you can find the link in the description. Whoops, right, losing the camera here, right below the actual full course link. Check this out if you haven't the full course already. And now, of course, let's get some recording done for the actual course, for the full course. 2 new videos, Google Shopping, a little bit on Google Display, very powerful. Alright guys, so now heading to the gym in my girlfriend's car actually. And yeah, so the last few hours did some minor things, also watched a few videos and things like that. For the new campaign, we are now want to spend $150 a day, but we want to get this to 1K per day in ad spend pretty quickly. So as it is, always when you start a new campaign, fresh account on AdWords, it takes a while for all the clicks to get in. So I assume that by tomorrow we're probably spending our daily budget on a more constant basis. Right now we just get like 30 clicks or 40 clicks or something like that. So we want to see what this does. Yeah, will be interesting. I will keep you updated in the next video how this went. So I will be very curious what the first results will look like. So now I'm heading to the gym. After that, probably not doing much. I wanted to play some poker, but apparently we won't be enough people. So maybe I will just stay here. We will see. Let's see what happens. And also, by the way, listening to some Gary Vaynerchuk, Crushing It. Pretty cool audiobook. Like, I've bought it 2 months ago or something. Always listen to it from time to time, 30 minutes at a time or something like that. It's not amazing, like it's not the best audiobook I've ever listened to, but it's quite cool. So if you have some Audible credits laying around somewhere, or you just don't know what to listen to, you can check it out. Also, if you know any good audiobooks, please let me know, as I'm my Audible subscription, I still have like 3 or 4 credits left to get a new audiobook, and I still have 3 in my library that I never listened to. So I want to quit or cancel or pause my Audible account soon and really spend the credits and stuff before I continue. So if you have any cool audiobooks that you think are worth listening to, please let me know. Please post it in the comments so that I can check them out as well. Would really appreciate if you can share some cool stuff right there. Alright guys, so here I am now back from the gym, and I thought before I go to the shower I end this episode here. It's now, well, a little before 8, something like that. And yeah, I think it was a pretty cool first episode, nothing special, but as I said, you know, it was a very average day. You guys were asking me what a normal work day looks like, so I did exactly that. Nothing fancy, very normal, no big, specific, crazy, outstanding things, but I hope that you liked it. Normally also there are more smaller things instead of one big client that takes like 3, 4, 5 hours of my day. That's not what it normally is, but of course, if it's a new client, and a rather big one, of course, this is normal. So yeah, let me know what you thought about this first episode. Let me know if you want to see more of this. Of course, this channel won't now turn into some pure vlog kind of stuff or something, but I think it's actually quite interesting from time to time to do something like this. Let me know if you want to see more of that. Let me know if you have any other suggestions on what to do or whatever. As I asked you for multiple times in this video when I asked about certain things, hope that you posted them in the comments as well. Also, the one with the audiobook would be very interesting to know. And else, as always, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to this channel for more personal stuff, for more business stuff, e-commerce, dropshipping, Google AdWords, Facebook ads, everything you may think of. And if you want to take your e-commerce business to the next level and improve your AdWords skills, potentially also get e-commerce clients for Google AdWords, make sure that you check out the course in the description, the eCom PPC Academy. Very cool stuff, over 150 students now, and many of them are absolutely crushing it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you did, please subscribe, please post in the comments whatever question you might have, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.